Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Elon Musk's Boring Company submits proposal for new 6-mile-long loop tunnel project with Tesla vehicles in Miami. Tesla adds paid option to install electric tailgate for all Model 3 in Chinese market. Tesla manufactured its 1 millionth 4680 battery cell in January. And Tesla adds beginnings of annual subscriptions to mobile app source code less than 2 months after Elon Musk said it was a good idea. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Elon Musk's Boring Company has submitted a proposal for a new 6-mile-long loop tunnel project in Miami. If approved, it would be the second of such full-scale commercial deployment of transportation system. A Boring Company loop system consists of tunnels in which Tesla electric vehicles travel at high speeds between stations to transport people within a city. The first deployment has been the Las Vegas Convention Center loop, which consists of a 1.5-mile-long tunnel with 3 stops at the city's large convention center. Recently, Las Vegas approved an expansion of the loop to connect the entire strip and the airport. The Boring Company already completed the first part of the expansion to the first casino. Once completed, it will become the first loop to cover an entire city center. Now, the Boring Company is already working on its next loop project, and it's in Miami. The city has revealed talks with the company last year, but they have moved forward with an official proposal. Insider reported on the new proposal for a 6.2-mile-long loop as follows. The North Miami Beach Loop would ferry Tesla vehicles between 7 stations along State Road 826 between the Golden Glades Transit Center and Sunny Isles Beach at Newport Pier, according to the proposal seen by Insider. The cost of the project is estimated to be between $185 million and $220 million, which is a fraction of the cost of any other similar transportation system, like a subway. North Miami Beach Commissioner Michael Joseph commented on the proposal. "We have a lot of traffic congestion, and this would be a way of alleviating a great deal of that traffic," Joseph commented. The Boring Company says that it can complete the project in just 3 years, but that's if the regulatory and permitting process is expedited. The city appears willing to move forward, but it is currently looking for funding from regional, state, and federal governments. Moving to the next update, Tesla adds paid option to install electric tailgate for all Model 3 in Chinese market. Tesla has added the option of installing an electric tailgate for all Model 3 sold in the Chinese market. The modernization has a very reasonable cost and is affordable for owners. Starting in 2021, Model 3 and Model Y models built at Tesla's Shanghai plant are already equipped with a power tailgate. This innovation was a great addition to the cars of the company, which is constantly improving them. Newer vehicles are always equipped with more modern equipment, but owners of older Tesla vehicles in China can now also get this upgrade. Recently, the manufacturer announced that it has begun offering its customers the option of installing a power tailgate for those who purchased a vehicle without it. According to the report, this upgrade costs 3,980 yuan, which is equal to about $630. Such a cost is justified and quite affordable, given the fact that a car that was produced without this convenient feature will now get it. According to Tesla, owners who want a power tailgate can directly contact the company's local service centers and leave their requests there. After installing an electric actuator on the tailgate, Tesla owners will receive a 3-year service warranty. Upon completion of the modernization, users will have access to tailgate control from their center console. It is currently only available in China, but like many new Tesla products and services, the company is often launching them first in China and later expanding the offer to other countries. Moving to the next update, Tesla manufactured its 1 millionth 4680 battery cell in January. Tesla announced recently on Twitter that it had successfully manufactured the 1 millionth 4680 battery cell at the Cato Road pilot facility in January. Tesla's 4680 battery cell is one of the company's most significant developments in its history. The cell was the primary focus of Tesla's Battery Day event in September 2020, where Tesla detailed the advantages of the new cell and unveiled a new battery pack structure to increase vehicle rigidity and safety. The 4680 cell has been one of Tesla's best-kept secrets as well. Despite the automaker unveiling the cell around a year and a half ago, very little information regarding Tesla's manufacturing processes of the 4680 battery has been made available. Tesla said at the Battery Day event that it would be manufactured in mass quantities for upcoming vehicle models and that the Kato Road facility was one of the largest cell manufacturing plants in terms of capacity in the world. Tesla announced that in January, the engineers and techs at Kato Road manufactured the 1 millionth cell in January, a huge milestone in the production of the battery. Now that we know Tesla's Austin-made Model Y from Gigafactory Texas will equip the cell, the automaker has stepped up the production of the 4680 battery. CEO Elon Musk said that the Tesla Model Y made at Gigafactory Texas will be the first electric car to equip the new cells and the structural battery pack. Musk said the following during the earnings call. "So in Texas, we're building the Model Ys with the structural battery pack and the 4680 cells, and we'll start delivering after final certification of the vehicle, which should be fairly soon." Tesla is only waiting for certification of the Model Y built at Gigafactory Texas to be finalized before it can begin deliveries. Tesla has already produced several hundred or perhaps thousands of units of the Model Y in Texas. Earlier this week, Tesla seemed to be gearing up for the imminent deliveries of the vehicle, but there is no indication yet of when the deliveries will begin. Moving to the last update, Tesla adds beginnings of annual subscriptions to mobile app source code less than 2 months after Elon Musk said it was a good idea. Just before Christmas last year, Tesla enthusiast Zach asked Elon Musk if the company would consider adding an annual subscription option for premium connectivity. The new option would allow owners to pay for a full year of the service up front and save a few dollars compared to the current monthly plan. While Musk didn't say that he would add the annual payment option, he strongly suggested it would happen by responding to the tweet by saying it a good idea. Now less than 2 months later, and Tesla has already added some source code strings to the mobile app that indicate the option will be available soon. In the latest app update released recently, the source code has references to both a monthly and annual plan. Tesla currently only offers 2 subscription services, premium connectivity and full self-driving. Unfortunately, the source code doesn't provide more details on whether owners will be able to have an annual subscription to both services or just premium connectivity. Along with this source code, Tesla also added actionable notifications to the mobile app. We have already reported about it in our previous video. So if you want to know more about it, watch the video on our channel. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.